What's up, everybody? Welcome to Juicy Television, and you watching Juicy J. So as you can tell by the title, today I'll be doing the exploding watermelon challenge.
Move, bitch.
I'm outside with it because it's supposed to explode, and we're gonna see about that.
What is that?
Okay, let's get straight into this video. Bop, bop, bop. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. You bet your Don Diddley I got the small one. Dance and make me dance. Yeah, dance and make me dance. Dance and make me dance. So I'm gonna do my best to get us both in here. My yams. And luckily for you, you get the fast forwarded version.
Ain't no more rules to this shit, but you can make your own though. How to focus, how to learn, how to clean my shit up. Just stay patient when they drop that bag, you pick that bitch back up. I know it's hard, but when you get the lean and sit the fuck back up.
I'm doubling it up, tripling it up because your girl trying to and eat. ASAP.
Everything I spit to you is true, I cannot make it up.
I told that bitch nobody hit. Okay, what we're not gonna do is this. TT getting frustrated.
I know like too fucking short, so every day I live it up.
What do y'all have me doing? Watermelon is not that entertaining. Y'all racist. Yo, this is really some life lessons in this, bro. I'm sitting here thinking. My mouth probably wide open and stuff. Take everything one step at a time, bro. Because if you rush, sometimes you're going to get to where you want to go, bro. But sometimes, not going to lie, bro, you causing yourself more harm. And so now you got a setback. When the whole time, if you would have went slow and steady, you would have been farther or pretty much done. Or done by now. Also, I do have these. The sun is so bright, but this is me with the glasses on. I don't really see any change. It's just a little heavier. No, it's already heavy, honestly. Bro, these bugs is picking, bro. I don't like that, bro. That's the only thing I don't like about nature, bro. Like, they be doing too much. Back your ass up. Back the all this air, all this sky, you in my face. You're on my skin, my melanin, trying to...
Yeah, we was fucked up. I ain't from Milwaukee, but I'm trying to get my bucks up. I took game them, I'm charged up like a Tesla.
At this rate, bro.
If you mind your business, you will live longer.
I'm about to take a hammer and bust the out this That getting a little swole. A tad. Barely. Something better bust. And it better be big. This is ridiculous. Oh my gosh. Buzz, bro. Come on. Damn. Bro, this is time consuming as bro. Oh my gosh. I can't. I'm about to play basketball with this. I don't give a I can do what I want. I know I keep failing my challenges, but at the end of the day, mind your business. I don't see you doing it. I'm sorry. That was me projecting. I'm sorry. So I'm at the park and I'm finna switch this. A period. Hey, I really want to learn how to gritty. I'd be like this. If I learn how to gritty, I'd be. Do. This how they be. Do.
Kobe.
What? I'm finna dunk. I'm finna dunk real quick and get up out of here. Look at that. LeBron James. Oh. Damn. Don't play football, kids. Don't play football, kids. Don't do it. Gang, 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 gang. I hit all them shots, bruh. I said, I hit all them shots. No cap. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm thinking about also uploading on Thursdays. Let me know what y'all think about that in the comments. Look, I'm still probably gonna do it in. Okay. Hold on. Okay, so anyway, she was too close to my mouth, but I don't think that she touched my mouth, but I was scared. I just had to wipe my mouth off. Okay. Get your bussy out of the camera.